With the aid of the internet, you can almost have anything right at your fingertips. With just a click, you can get access to thousands and even millions of pieces of information and data in any field of interest. Now first, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. As years pass by, the internet continues to effect radical changes in many facets of human endeavors, including commerce. The internet opens many doors of opportunities for success. Experts say that the information space, commonly known as the World Wide Web, grows by over 1 million pages each and every day. As more and more people utilize the internet for information, education, entertainment, business, and other personal reasons, it doesn't take a business-minded individual to realize that this phenomenon can bring about sky-high financial gains. The internet's fast-growing popularity in recent years is surely an opportunity for business that any entrepreneur would not want to miss. You may think only businessmen can make money on the internet. Think again. You too can earn big bucks through the internet, even if you don't have any products to sell. How? Learn how to be successful with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business partnership between a merchant and an affiliate. It is proven to be cost-efficient and a quantifiable means of attaining great profit, both for the merchant and the affiliate and other players in the affiliate program, such as an affiliate network. Affiliate marketing principles work effectively for both the merchant and the affiliate. First, a merchant gains opportunities to advertise products to a larger market, which increases the chances to earn. The more affiliate websites or hard-working affiliates sign up, the more sales that can be expected. When a client clicks on the link in the affiliate website or social media post, purchases the product, recommends it to others who look for the same item or buys it again, the merchant multiplies his chances of earning. On the other hand, the affiliate marketer also benefits from each customer who clicks on the link in his website or post and who actually purchases the product provided by the merchant. In most cases, the affiliate gets paid a commission per sale, which can be a fixed percentage or a fixed amount. To learn more and get started with affiliate marketing, click the link below.